Hey guys, Don here from Adventures This Way. Glad to have you along. For those of you that follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I let a little tidbit out about an announcement that I wanted to make. Well, here it is. Alright boys, a little road trip today. Just came to my favorite new place called Crossings Road and Trail. If you're a player's guy like me, this is the place to come and check out. Well, let's go have a look. All right, let's head inside. I am happy to announce that the channel is now supported by a local players dealer, Crossings Road and Trail in Prescott, Ontario. And I am super stoked about it. For those of you that know, that own power sports equipment, it's not just the brand of machine that you buy that's important, it's also the support you have from your dealer. When it comes to power equipment, we all know that problems do arise from time to time. Having the support of a dealer that you know has your back is just as important as the brand badge that's on your machine. So for those of you that live in the southeastern Ontario area, I would highly recommend that you head down to Crossings Road and Trail, talk to Eric and the boys, and they will fix you up. Heck, do me a favor and tell them that Don sent you. I would appreciate the support. Here at Crossings Road and Trail, they are a Polaris dealer, but they're more than just that. They sell and service all kinds of equipment. Husqvarna, Argo. They service and repair all kinds of equipment, ATVs, UTVs, snow blowers, chainsaws, personal watercraft, boats, motors. So as I mentioned before, it's really important to have a solid support network, either through your local dealer or repair shop. If you're looking for a new machine, a used machine, got some repairs or you got some questions, you need some gear, you need some parts, these guys will help you out. If you own an ATV, a snowmobile, or any other type of power equipment, at some point you're going to need some repairs, some new parts, or maybe even got to replace it. So if you're in the southeastern Ontario area, I would highly recommend you go down to Crossings Road and Trail, talk to Eric and the guys, and give them a try. Now remember, keep the rubber side down, and I'll see you in the next video. While I got you here, why not watch another video right now?